So let us discuss linear differential equation. Linear differential equation.
सर लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन भी हो गया सर?
तो कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स नहीं हुए होंगे पूरे?
जी
क्या हुए? मिनिमम कितने क्वेश्चंस हुए आप देखिए अब तक?
दो क्वेश्चंस हुए थे सर, आप दो क्वेश्चन होमवर्क दिए थे।
नहीं, और करना पड़ता, दो बस नहीं होता।
जी सर।
देखिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखिए। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, वर्किंग रूल मालूम है? थोड़ा रिवाइज करूं?
जी सर, रिवाइज।
ठीक, ये थोड़ा रिवीजन देते हैं। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, working rule step number 1. First of all, we have to write the differential equation in this form: dy by dx plus p of y is equal to q. Then the step number 2, we have to identify p value and you have to identify q value, p value and q value. Step number 3, you have to go for integrating factor, that is equals to e power integral pdx. Step number 4, we have to write the solution. The solution is y into integrating factor is equals to q into integral q into integrating factor of dx plus c plus c. This is the procedure. Okay, so here we have a first question. Already we have discussed so many questions. पर एग्जाम में कौन सा क्वेश्चन कब आता है कि नहीं बोल सकते, मैक्सिमम क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करेंगे हम। सॉल्व dy by dx minus 2y by x plus 1 is equal to x plus 1 whole cube, x plus 1 whole cube. ठीक है, ये क्वेश्चन है। तो नाउ उसका सॉल्यूशन देखिए आप। Solution, we have to compare the given differential equation with the standard form. First of all, we'll write given dy by dx minus 2y by x plus 1. Can I write like this? Plus minus 2 by x plus 1 into y, ऐसा लिख सकते हैं इसको?
जी सर।
is equals to x plus 1 whole cube, x plus 1 whole cube. So let us compare this one with the standard form. What is the standard form? dy by dx
dy by dx
plus
plus
p
py
of y is equals to q is the
q
standard form. So what is p value?
minus 2 by x plus 1
Minus 2 by x plus 1. And what is q value?
x plus 1 whole cube.
X plus 1 whole cube. Right. After that, we have to go for integrating factor. Integrating factor if is equals to e power integral pdx. This is equals to e power integral pdx. P means minus 2, we can take out 1 by 1 plus x.
Plus 1
X
plus
plus 1, 1 plus x, both are same, which is
yes.
equals to e to the power of minus 2 as it is. Integration 1 by x is log x, log of 1 plus x. Okay, so which can be written as this can also be written as e to the power of n log x form. We can write it as log x to the power of n, 1 plus x whole to the power of minus 2. E and log becomes 1, so we are left with 1 by 1 plus x whole square. Power minus 2 डिनोमिनेटर में लाया तो पावर पॉजिटिव हो जाए. So the solution is the solution is, tell me how to write the solution. Y into
Mm.
integrating
Y
factor is equals to
into,
integral of
E.
q into
Yes.
integrating factor of
Integrating
dx,
factor dx
integrating
plus
factor of dx plus c. So y into integrating factor, y into integrating factor, how much we got? 1 by
uh,
1 plus
1
x
by 1 plus x
whole
whole
square is equals to integral q value. q value कितना है? x plus 1 whole cube
x plus 1 whole cube
by here integrating factor 1 plus x whole square
1
into
by
dx. ये स्क्वायर
dx.
से ये एक टर्म कैंसिल हो जाता, क्यूब है ना, इसीलिए y by
जी
1 plus x whole square, y by 1 plus x whole square is equal to 1 cubic term square with this
x
square
plus
cancel,
1
कितना बच गया? x plus 1
x
into
plus 1
dx.
dx.
This is y by 1 plus x whole square, 1 plus x whole square is equals to integration of x is what? X square by 2.
X square by 2
Integration 1 dx is x, and
x
finally we add the constant. This is the question
c.
complete. ठीक है, जल्दी जल्दी लिख लीजिए आप, 1:30 से पहले
जी
क्लास खत्म करना है मेरे को, नहीं तो मैं लंच के लिए बाहर नहीं जा सकता.
जी सर. Copied sir.
Write the next question. Cos hx cos cos hx dy by dx cos hx dy by dx plus y sin hx is equals to 2 cos square hx 2 cos cos h square x into sin hx. This is the question. So I can erase it. So now this is the question. यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा मैं काम करता हूँ, क्वेश्चन फिर से लिख देता हूँ आपके लिए. Solve cos hx
dy by dx
into dy by dx
plus
plus
y sin hx.
sin hx is equals to 2 cos h square into x sin hx. Hyperbolic function है इसका. So in the solution standard form, you can see here dy by dx we have. Actually we don't want cos hx. So first step, dividing cos hx on both sides. Dividing cos hx on both sides. So when dividing, what happened here? What we are getting? Cos and cos cancel, dy by dx plus sin by cos. Sin by cos is tan hx into y is equal to, when dividing with cos, one term is cancelled here. So you are left with 2 cos hx into sin hx. So this one I want to compare with the standard form. Our standard form is what? dy by dx
dy by dx
plus
py is equal to
p of y is equals to q. This is the standard form. So easily we can say that p value is, what we can say, tan
hx.
What is our q value? 2 into
2 cos
cos
hx
hx
and hx.
into sin hx. Next step, we have to go for integrating factor. What is the integrating factor? E power integral pdx.
dx.
Yes. So this is e power integral tan hx dx. tan x का इंटीग्रेशन होता है log mod cos x. h है तो h लिख दीजिए आप. Log of cos hx. E and log becomes 1, so we are left with cos hx. This is your integrating factor. Now simply we write the solution. The solution is y into integrating factor is equals to integral q into integrating factor of dx plus c. So y into integrating factor, we are getting what? Cos hx is equals to integral q value. What is the q value? I want to take 2 outside. Cos hx into sin hx. बोलिए, इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर we got it cos. तो ये क्या हो जाता?
Yes.
ये स्क्वायर हो जाता. Cos h square of x dx. Here one important rule we are going to be discussed. I want to write the formula first of all. see this is the formula, integral f of x whole to the power of n into f dash of x, integral f of x whole power n into f dash of x is equals to f of x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus, ये फार्मूला इसमें अप्लाई करना है। तो सबसे पहले इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग क्या है, व्हाट इज एफ ऑफ एक्स, वी हैव टू सी। यहाँ पे देखिए n वैल्यू 2 है, योर एफ ऑफ एक्स वैल्यू इज हियर cos hx,
Yes, sir.
cos hx f of x value. Now find out derivative, cos hx का डेरिवेटिव, हाइपरबोलिक फंक्शन में नेगेटिव टर्म नहीं आते, सो cos hx का डेरिवेटिव डायरेक्टली sin hx, नेगेटिव नहीं रहता उसका।
Sin hx.
तो अब यू कैन नोटिस हियर, ये पूरा एफ ऑफ एक्स होल पावर n फॉर्म में है, ये पूरा एफ डैश ऑफ एक्स है, ठीक है ना, एफ ऑफ
Yes,
एक्स एफ डैश ऑफ
जी।
एक्स। तो इसका आंसर डायरेक्ट अपने को लिखना है, तो हाउ टू राइट द डायरेक्ट आंसर,
Cos.
यस, तो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में तो कुछ भी नहीं है, y into cos hx as it is, already 2 is there, so 2 write down as it is, f of x whole power n plus 1, f of x is cos hx whole to the power of n plus 1, n value is 2, n value is 2, n plus 1 बोल तो 3 डिवाइडेड बाई 3 को इधर
जी।
बाहर लिख देंगे, एंड ये cos क्यूब, यहाँ पे ये n प्लस 1 है तो cos क्यूब हो जाता ना, ये n प्लस
Yes,
बोल
sir.
तो cos क्यूब, ये पावर 3 डिवाइडेड बाई 3 इधर लिख दिया मैं ऑलरेडी, तो हियर cos h cube of x and then finally we have to add the constant। ये आपका क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट,
Yes, sir.
जल्दी लिख लीजिए। आप अकेले से मीटिंग में, वो ज्वाइन ही नहीं करा अभी तक।
Copied, sir.
आप एक काम करिए,
जी।
मीटिंग एंड करिए, मैं आपको थोड़ा अभी बाहर जाके आके फिर स्टार्ट करें।
Okay, sir. ठीक है, sir.